Question 2. There are 3 important things that I feel that I've learned this semester so far. The first is 3-point lighting, which describes the key light, the backlight, and the fill light that are present during an interview or when taking pictures. For one of our blog assignments, Dr. Chris had us reflect on what we learned from watching the video about the 3 lights. At the Federal Women's Council Digital Press event, Dr. Chris showed us how 3-point lighting is applied to real situations. As he turned his body or changed the object of focus, the key light, backlight, and fill light changed. And by the end of the exercise, the entire class, including myself, was able to decipher which light was which. Although I understood the concepts when I watched the YouTube video, it was definitely easier to see the importance of each light in person at the event. Another thing I learned in this class is not only learning how to create a Gmail account, but also a Google Plus account. And I also learned how to link my YouTube account to both of these accounts. The YouTube account makes posting videos to my blog a breeze. In the beginning of the class, I had trouble with my Gmail account because I had forgotten my password and had to sign up for all the accounts the next week. But by the next class, I was able to find a solution on my own because of how well I was taught the previous week by Dr. Chris and my teammates. I kept hearing about people having Gmail accounts and the benefits of having one because you could link multiple emails together. However, I never took the time to make one. But now I see how imperative it is to have a Google account, a Gmail account, and a Google Plus account so I could access information and have another social media outlet to get in touch with people. And I am glad that I have acquired this knowledge that I could use in the future. The final learning experience I felt was most important was seeing the behind-the-scenes actions of a professional interview that we got to see as a class during the Federal Women's Council event. Not only interviews Mrs. Jenkins, however, from my viewpoint, I was able to see the interview and the behind-the-scenes camera action. When watching the interview on TV, I never thought of the process that occurs before the interview happens. There's hair, makeup, and the camera crew behind the scenes directing the interviewer and the interviewee. Now I am aware of all the people and the lighting and the setup times that have to take place. Therefore, if I'm ever involved in an interview situation, I'll be ready for it.